So here's the little village. We just missed a whole bunch of people riding by on their bikes. But, oh, here comes our bus. What are we on right now?
Tram.
Tram in the city.
There's that backwards video.
We're on our way to the Van Gogh Museum. This building is concert hall.
Video games and concert.
Yeah, we're gonna do some sights and sounds of the city.
I'm tired.
Oh my gosh, that's definitely what I've been hearing.
I'm tired.
We're still adjusting to everything.
And my legs are killing me. Raining.
I said we got rush hour going on here. Got roundabouts for the bikes. Bikes everywhere, of course. Alright, we're good.
De novo para esperar as bicicletas. Não, a gente tem que esperar as bicicletas. Eles estão esperando a gente.
What did you think of that?
That was definitely different. Oh, I should try to go backwards like the whole time.
Yeah, next time do that.
I don't know if I can go down there.
You gotta start backwards.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Ah! Whoa! Yeah, that was fun. Oh yeah! There we go! There we go! Whoa! I was not touching that. Sideways worked. Okay,
Nice.
I'm gonna do one more backwards. Okay, go. Whoa! 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 That's a lot faster. That's a lot faster. Oh my god! Ow! Whoa! That was bad.
Alright, so we got this Van Gogh cube. Low angle so you know what it looks like.
Well, I don't know if I'm gonna mix it up.
I would encourage you not to mix it up.
Yeah,
Okay, go a different direction.
that's what I'm doing. There. There. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna do an algorithm.
Alright. We found an authentic, hey, look a little happy, Betty. We found an authentic Italian pizzeria, and we ordered a margarita pizza. And look at that gorgeous pizza oven right there that it came out of. So we're excited. And they brought some like spicy oil something or other. I thought, well, I could try that, see what happens. Right? Oh my gosh. Beware pickpockets at this station. All right, I got my purse in my hands here.
Pickpocketing must be a big problem here.
Yes, it is. Yeah, come sit down. All right, here we go.
I just slept. I just waited the whole time. I put that on
Yep, I heard you.
So the benches here are interesting. They're all slanted, but the ones over there, we waited here 2 days ago, and we just had to wait there for a while. Like those uncomfortable seats just kept sliding off. They're like super slanted. We never knew that there were these ones. They're still slanted, but they're at like less than an angle. So I'm kind of doing that. It's nice.
There's a bike path down there.
Volgende halte, rechts door, Katonenpad.